and all together make our school a beautiful garden. Good morning, everyone. On this pleasant morning, my first and foremost duty on behalf of the principal, teachers and non-teaching staff, I welcome you all to the virtual Children's Day program of our school. You know why this day is so special? Yes, today is Children's Day. It's your day. We have lot of excitement in our program. Are you all ready? So tell me, hip hip hooray. Let us begin the program with the blessings of Almighty. All praise is to God. Let us begin the function with a prayer dance.
ദിവ്യമാരി
Now I request Mrs. Mohanavalli to give the welcome address.
The galaxy of intellectual sisters, teachers, parents and my dear students. Happy morning to one and all. Reach high for stars, lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream leads the goal. I take this wonderful opportunity to deliver welcome address. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. I welcome our honorable correspondent, Sister Pavitra, to this auspicious occasion. Hearty welcome, sister. One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal. One candle can wipe out darkness. Yes, a true leader has a confidence to shine alone. It's time to welcome our beloved principal, Sister Navya, who always thinks, cares about our children and their welfare. Hearty, cheerful welcome, sister. The teacher, who indeed wise, does not bid you to enter the house of his wisdom, but rather leads you to threshold of the mind. I take this opportunity to welcome our sisters and teachers who chisel and shape the life and make the students to be a good citizen of this society. Undoubtedly, your sense of commitment, sacrificial service, immense patience, responsibility to play a key role to students' growth. I welcome dear sisters and teachers, non-teaching staff to this gracious occasion. To the world, you may be the person, but one person, you may be the world. With immense pleasure, I welcome our dear parents to this memorable occasion. It's time to welcome our tiny tots. Yes, children are the world's most valuable resource. This day reminds you about your duties towards you all. You are like tender buds. We celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birth anniversary as Children's Day. He believed that children are creation of God and their innocence melts anybody's heart. Yes, it's true. I wish you very happy, prosperous Children's Day to all my dear children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful speech. Without taking much of your time, we would like to start the cultural program. Well, here you are. Today, we will have Rainbow of Cultural program prepared by your lovable teachers. Children, there are no words to describe how special you are to us. Come on, let's enjoy this day with fun and laughter. Ladies and gentlemen, a child can always teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to be always busy with something, and know how to demand with all his might what you want. Here is a lovely action song for you, dear children, by the teachers of Hindi department. I welcome Sister Rani and Mrs. Purnima.
Good morning, children. बाल दिवस का शुभकामनाएं. Happy Children's Day.
Wow, that was an amazing performance. The teachers really held everyone's captive. Thank you, dears. Now let's hear a beautiful speech about Children's Day by your lovable teacher, Mrs. Soumya.
Good morning to our respected principal, teachers and children. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country. These are the lines told by Jawaharlal Nehru. Let us remember these lines and celebrate the spirit of erstwhile leader on this day. Happy Children's Day to you all. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November across India. It is celebrated as a tribute to our first Prime Minister of India and also for his contribution in building our nation. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 1889 in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. He was the only son of famous lawyer Motilal Nehru. He was very much interested in the ideologies of Gandhiji that he followed his footsteps and became his disciple. And he joined a freedom struggle. As Nehru loved children, he imparted the importance of children's education in India. He once said, children are like buds in the garden. They should be carefully loved and nurtured because they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow. He raised much awareness for the betterment of the condition of children in India. He had a great love for children. He wanted to be always with the children. He wanted to talk with them. He wanted to play with them. Children also respected and loved Nehruji and called him as Chacha Nehru. India started celebrating Children's Day in 1959. Initially, it was celebrated on November 20, along with other countries. But after the death of Nehruji in 1964, it was unanimously decided to celebrate Children's Day on his birthday in India. It is celebrated to promote peace, awareness and togetherness among children. To be successful in life, what you need is education. These were the lines told by Nehruji. So let us impart this in our life and follow his footsteps to improve ourselves as well as our nation. Thank you to all. Once again, I wish you Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali.
Thank you, ma'am, for your thoughtful speech. Aerobics are an important part of a sports display, which requires amazing discipline, flexibility, fitness and knowledge. Now let us watch the gentlemen of a Carmel Garden performing the aerobics.
Live from the Nestle Arena, welcome to the finals of the 1987 Jazz Fit Championships. Representing the Body Shop from Hollywood, California, Flash. And from the Skin Shop in Detroit, Michigan, Lightning.
was a splendid show, dear teachers. The reality that happens in our day-to-day life is screened before you. This reminds us to review ourselves. So do not fear. I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. God promises we will face troubles in this life, but He also promises to walk by our side through all it. Let's watch and feel God's love for us during this hard time.
Truly I tell you, just as you did it to one of the least of these, you did it to me.
In the pandemic situation, everyone working hard for their needs. It is the today condition of so many people. When you have opportunity, help others and the needy people too. Helping the poor is equal to doing for God. So help others, spread happiness.
The coronavirus is very, very dangerous. Please be cautious. You are very, very precious. The coronavirus is very, very dangerous. Please be cautious. You are very, very precious. Corona, please go away now. You are very danger now. Corona, 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 made in China. Don't come to my arena. Be safe from Corona. If you want to live for a few more days, wear a mask on your face. 'Cause Corona is now in every place. Pray to God for His grace. Corona, please go away now. You are very danger now. Corona, 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 made in China. Don't come to my arena. Be safe from Corona. Now all the airports are closed here, but Corona is traveling everywhere. Sit at your home and work from there. But how long will you live in fear? Coronavirus is very, very dangerous. Please be cautious. You are very, very precious.
Thank you, teachers, for the marvelous message presented to us. Dance makes feet move with a beat, and it radiates smile to every face around. It can make the young and old dance. It has the power to make people move. We have here our teachers with a blissful move to make your day special.
பேரை கேட்ட உடனே சும்மா அதறது இல்ல. money. ஓங்கி அடிச்சா ஒன்று வைங்களா வாங்கியா கண்ணு ராகவா என்ன வந்த சாமி
छोटा भीमा ஆனேனா என்ன வெல்ல யார் இருக்கா டோராவ போவேனேனா இன்னும் போக ஊரு இருக்கா வானத்து தாவி
mina dika, dai damenika, maka naga naga, dika bika dika, ina mina dika dika de dai damenika, maka naga dika bika rola dika, ram pam coach. दिल बेचूं है कोई लेने वाला ऐसे वैसे को नहीं देने वाला दिल बेचूं है कोई लेने वाला ऐसे वैसे को नहीं देने वाला सूरत या हंसी हो उम्र या जवां हो कोई भी उसे देखे तो बस ये गुमा हो यही है तो है वो ina mina dika dai damenika maka naga naga dika bika dika ina mina dika dika de dai damenika maka naga dika bika rola dika ram pam coach.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. Everybody, you're dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Make a better place for you and for me.
The dancers really held the show. Thank you, my dear teachers. நினைத்தால் மதுரம், இசைத்தால் அமுதம், கிறுக்கினால் கூட கவிதை என் தமிழ். அன்னையின் அன்பு மொழியாய், தந்தையின் அறிவு மொழியாய் விளங்கும் எம் இனிய தமிழ் மொழியில் கவிப்பாட அழைக்கின்றேன் என் பள்ளியின் தமிழ் ஆசிரியை திருமதி பிரபாவதி அவர்களை.
வணக்கம் குழந்தைகளே. குழந்தைகள் தின இந்நன்னாளில் நேருவையும் எம் பள்ளி குழந்தைகளையும் வாழ்த்தி இதோ ஒரு கவிதை. முதல் பிரதமனே, முடிசூடா மன்னனே, இந்தியாவின் சிப்பியே, காஷ்மீரத்து ரோஜாவே, புத்தருக்கு பின் பிறந்த ஞானியே, இந்திரா ஒரு சந்திரனே, அச்சந்திரனை ஒளிப்பித்த சூரியனே, உன் சிறை கடிதங்கள் இலக்கியமானதே, ஆனந்த கோட்டை உனக்கானதே, சிறைக்கோட்டை சென்றாய் எதற்காகவே, உன் பிறந்த நாளே குழந்தைகள் தினம் என்றாயே, கார்மலின் வண்ண சிட்டுக்களே, கார் என்றால் மேகமே, கார்மலின் மேக சிலைகளே, துரு துரு பார்வையிலே, ஒய்யார நடையினிலே, உன் பிஞ்சு கரங்களை பற்றிடவே காத்திருக்கிறோம் தாமாகவே, உன் கள்ளச் சிரிப்பை களவாடவே காத்திருக்கிறது கார்மல் குருகுலமே. இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
நன்றி தோழியே. Dear children, today is not only Children's Day, but it's also the Festival of Lights. Yes, it is Diwali. Any celebration makes it special when celebrated with dance, and certainly it's a treat to our eyes. Here, we are teachers come along with a beautiful dance, a Diwali message and a song to enlighten us to make our celebration more colorful and bright.
Diwali is the occasion of joyous celebrations. The delicious sweets, the sparklers, the fireworks and diyas bring in the festival of lights for enjoyment and happiness, not only for you but for all the adults. Here our enthusiastic teachers are going to dance just for you. Come, let's enjoy.
Children, do you like bursting crackers? But before that, you are to follow few instructions. The first instruction is, you should wear cotton clothes and wear your footwear. Second, always keep a bucket of water. See, a bucket of water, a bucket of sand, sanitizer, and first aid. These 4 things should be there, and finally you should wash your hands nicely with soap. Okay? The third instruction is, always burst the crackers under the supervision of your parents or any other elders. Supposing you are in the 4th standard and you have a brother in the 10th, he is not an elder person. Always have an older person. Okay, your aunt, your uncle, your parents. And the next 4th one is, burst the crackers in the open, not in a closed area. And the 5th and the most important is, never disturb anyone. Don't burst crackers near the hospitals, any patient, disturb the birds and animals. Don't tie the crackers to a dog's tail and make it to cry. Okay children, bear all these 5 instructions. Now you'll watch the teacher doing a small demo for you. Shall we watch?
Hi children, happy Diwali, have a safe Diwali. Okay, come on, let's watch the teacher's demo. Okay, which you should do, which you should not do. Okay, come on, let's see our teachers. See children, both the teachers are lighting the star lights. So see which one is correct. See, this is the wrong way. You should not do it like this. See, she's keeping near the face. This is the wrong way. Okay, see her, she is doing the right way. See how the hands are. The hands are here only. So she's doing like this. So this is the right way. Okay children, see again. See, this is not the right way children. After bursting the cracker, see here. You should put it in the sand. Okay, then you have to wash your hands. So this is the right way you have to do on the Diwali. Okay children, have you understood now? Okay, come on, let's see the next one.
Children, the next cracker is the chili crackers, which all of you do. See? This is the right way of doing. This is the wrong way of doing. Should not hold it in your hand. What will happen? It will burst and you will get hurt. This is the right way of doing. See? Like this one. Take care children.
The next one is flower pot. Okay, come on, let's watch it now. See, the teachers are having flower pot. See, which one is right? Yes, this one is the right. See how she is bursting it. This is not the right way. See, she is keeping her head like this. This is the wrong way. Okay, see how she is far away from the flower pot. See, after keeping a flower pot, you have to go beside. Okay, see, this is she is standing here itself. Okay, this one you should not do it. Okay, so this is the right way children. Okay, have you understood it? Come on, let's see the next one.
Hi children, now let's see how to light the string. Look here, she is holding string very near to her. This is not the right way. Look here, she is holding very far to her. This is the right way of lighting string. After bursting the crackers, throw it in the sand. This is not the right way to throw it down, right?
The next cracker to be burnt is the Chase Me Charlie. Shall we watch? See children, Chase Me Charlie, they are holding it. See, she's having it down and she's burning it very far. But look at her, she's holding the Chase Me Charlie in her hand. Very wrong, because Chase Me Charlie will burst and it will hurt you. This is the wrong way and this is the right way. Okay, after you burn it, what will you do? Wash your hands. Ready?
Happy Children's Day! Safe Diwali!
Wow, that's an overall amazing performance, isn't it? Thank you, dears. I really feel honored to stand before you to welcome our principal, Reverend Sister Navya, to give a blessing message on your special day.
All the charm and joy of this Happy Children's Day to all the kids in Carmel Public School. We are so proud of our children in this Carmel family. This is your day. You are the miracle of God. With your presence, our anxieties will be gone. You are our future dreams and future citizens who will guide us. So we are so proud of you. We ask Carmel Mary to protect and guide you as we are going through this pandemic situation. The earth reveals its innocence through the smile of children, and I think all the Carmel children have that smile. In everyone's life, childhood is the sweetest period. Enjoy this day with the sweetness and innocence of your childhood. You are the miracle of God with your unique talents and imaginations. So on this Children's Day, me and all the teachers give you all the blessings for your future life. Let you grow in the stature of Child Jesus through the help of Mother Mary. This is our prayer for you. May you be transformed into integrated personalities who will uphold moral and spiritual values and be the proud of families and this school. May God bless you all. Once again, I wish you a fabulous Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your words of blessing. Thanking is the last part of any celebration and is the essence that makes the celebration meaningful. I call upon Miss Sheila D'Souza to propose the oath of thanks.
Jesus said, "Do Do not stop the little ones from coming to me, for to them belongs all the riches and the kingdom of heaven. Children are the Lord's reward and gift. Good day to one and all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this significant occasion. Let me, first of all, start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. We are grateful to our principal, Sister Navya, for her words of encouragement. Her guidance has always encouraged us. I thank Sister for her kindness, interest, hospitality, and continued support. Thank you, Sister. My heartfelt thanks to the heads of various programs and the faculty for the valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement for all the efforts. Thank you, teachers. I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staff who have worked behind the screen to ensure this occasion becomes the most remarkable one. Last but not the least, I thank you, my students, for your participation during this lockdown. Finally, I leave you with this inspiring quote. Children are the future. Nurture them right so that they grow up to be able leaders and lead the world. Children, you're so special to us. You carry the hope for a brighter future and a brighter tomorrows and dreams for a happy future. Once again, wishing you all a very enjoyable day for all the children over the world. Happy Children's Day and a safe Diwali. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे